Hello there, it's Haley, and here is your Sabado Armageddon report. Yes, much Armageddon going on. Northwest Pacific, Typhoon Sanba, formerly Super Typhoon Sanba. There are now typhoon warnings for several areas that are in the JMA jurisdiction, is that the word? So all of these red areas are under typhoon warnings at the moment. Over here, out near South Korea, gale warnings. So, yes. And let's take a look at the satellite. Which one is it? West Pacific. There we go. There would be Sanba. So that's what's going on there. So, problems for the islands it's coming across. And obviously that thing is pretty big. So, rain bands affecting them. Actually, it looks like China, or at least as of this satellite view, not being affected directly at the moment. Yes. So that's what's going on out in the Northwest Pacific at the moment. Let's zoom out and go on over here. Let's talk about the Atlantico, where we've got Hurricane Nadine. I've not seen it, but it looks like there could still definitely, or potentially be some effects to the Azores Islands in the future. However, that is quite possibly going to have it be diminishing. Because obviously, if it's hurricane status there, and then the NHC has it downgrading or diminishing or whatever to tormented tropical status by that point. But of course, things can always change. But potential effects out there. And let's zoom out again. Yes, so over here, just 20% chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 48 hours, pardon me. At least as of now, but something to keep an eye on. We've got a new one out here. Here is Tropical Depression 12E, predicted to become a tropical storm. We've got Christy out here, who's good for California. Well, not really, since the sea surface temperature is obviously not really going to support the system, going to dissipate. That's the word I'm looking for. Yes, dangerous surf conditions associated with Christy, and then, of course, still with the Aviso Especial, right from the Mexico Weather Service, right, where 80% chance of very strong and intense rains associated with Tormenta Tropical Christy. So, rains and surf conditions. Rains, of course, always a problem with big storms, especially when they start to break up, because then all that stuff that's been up in the sky, what is it, the cielo or something, the ceiling, everything that's been up in the ceiling has to come down to the floor. Yes, that is exactly how you describe it, meteorologically speaking, or something. Yes, moving on to red flag warnings again, where, don't know, it's been like the past week. Samana, is that the word? Devoka. Right, there's been red flag warnings. That's a fire weather type thing. It's just crazy. It's going on over there. Severe thunderstorm-wise, we do have news, but not for today. Today, green across the board. No worries, at least in terms of severe thunderstorms. Now, general thunderstorms, of course, but not severe. However, day 4, what would that be? September 18th. There's a 30% chance. And actually, day 5, if you go in and read the discussion, Day 5 also has a potential threat, however, timing and location. Greater uncertainty on speed / timing of whatever FROPA is. I'm sure it's some acronym or abbreviation or initial. It's probably non-initialism. Anyway. But yes, so day 5 as well, potential severe threat. But right now, the models and whatnot, not enough congruence, agreement, a word like that. But anyway, yes, day 4, September 18th. Potential wind event, strong enough that they've put something on the map. Now, if you've followed a lot of this where you see like the long-term thing, this is not carved in stone, obviously. And of course it could also break apart, so to speak, to the point that maybe, by the time the September 18th rolls around, there won't be anything. However, there's generally always been something. But, and of course, the area is definitely not set in stone. So basically, if you're, I'd say, I don't know, like this area or so, you should definitely pay attention to find out what's going down with the September 18th. September, I can't say that word. What's going down with that forecast? So yes, obviously something to keep an eye on, considering how green across the board it's been for quite some time. Yes, severeweathertv.com is the official homepage of the Screencast Wigawix. We've already been WICKDWX.com. Cyclocane, CYCLOCANE.com. And yeah, that's it for this Sabado, this Samstag, Lord Dog, Sachen. That's Irish, I think. Anyway, yeah, I've run out of languages, I know. Happens all the time. Right, that's it for today, and enjoy the rest of your weekend.